Here are the 3 reasons why you aren't getting the amount of purchases that you want from your paid ads. It doesn't matter if you have a low cost per click or a great click-through rate. What matters is that you're making sales profitably and consistently. So right now we're going to dive into the 3 reasons why you're getting link clicks but not sales, and action steps that you can take to get the purchases you're looking for. Number 1 is you're optimizing for the wrong conversion event. Ever since I got into e-commerce in 2017 and started running Facebook ads for the first time, I was always held between the side of should I optimize for purchases off the bat or should I optimize for a lower value event such as view content or add to cart. And over the years, I've split tested both methods across different advertising platforms and have always found that for the best results, even cost-wise, has come from optimizing for purchases right off the bat. Now, TikTok ads are a little bit of a different story, but with Facebook, you're optimizing for a lower value event, you're going to get those events. It's not that difficult for Facebook to put people in front of your ads that constantly are adding products to cart and just kind of browsing around, people that are window shopping, as you may call it, and don't actually buy things. So when you're optimizing for an event like purchases, it is going to cost you a little bit more to reach those higher value people, but I would much rather have higher value people that are more likely to purchase from me than people that just like to window shop. So don't waste your time and money optimizing for lower value events. Instead, optimize for purchases so that you're attracting high value people that are likely to convert. The second reason why you're getting link clicks from your paid traffic but not converting as many customers as you'd like is because you are clickbaiting, and you may even be doing this without realizing it. And the simple saying goes, you should always undersell and over-deliver. So an example for this in the paid ads world would be if you're running an ad for a cowboy hat, and on your headline or your ad copy, you say something along the lines of, this is the top rated cowboy hat in all of Texas. And then someone may see that and say, oh, I'm interested in that. That sounds badass. And they click on your ad only to find out that your website just appeals as unattractive. There's only a few BS reviews on the product page, and they're getting spammed with pop-ups for your email list with no incentive. So that is going to throw people off, and they're instantly going to feel like you betrayed them in a way. And because of that, they aren't going to trust you and leave your website. So instead, you want to provide value inside of your ads and show what your product is and what people think about it, instead of just trying to entertain people and get them to your website. Because at the end of the day, yes, data is valuable. If you get people to your website, you could retarget them. But if you break your trust right off the bat with a potential customer, it's going to be pretty difficult to get them to come back and actually buy something from you. So don't use clickbait tactics to get people to your website. Instead, focus on letting your product sell itself by showing and explaining what the value it is that it brings to that potential customer. The third reason, and a huge one as to why your paid ads aren't converting how you'd like, is because of price objection, essentially meaning people are going from your ad to your website only to find out the price isn't what they expected. So in return, they're just dipping out and looking for something else. And oftentimes what causes this, and I've seen for years people still making the same exact mistake, is that they're using some type of heavy incentive call to action in their copy, such as get yours today for 50% off, to cold ads. People that have never seen or heard of your brand, you're just going ahead and offering them, hey, get yours 50% off, which is devaluing your product and your brand right off the bat. I say this example often, but think about it. If you've never heard or seen of Louis Vuitton and you one day see an ad from them on Instagram and it says, hey, get your Louis Vuitton book bag for 50% off, free shipping worldwide, get yours today, click below. When you see that, you're not gonna think of Louis Vuitton as what you may think of it right now, because they were devaluing their offer by promoting to you some crazy incentive without you actually even knowing who they are and what their value is. So instead of using some type of crazy incentive call to action, such as 50% off now, instead, what you should do is consider actually introducing your price with a small call to action in your ad copy, such as get yours today for only $79. What this is going to do is actually qualify the people that are seeing your ads before they even go to the website. Obviously, some people are going to click on the ad no matter what, but what you're actually doing is showing the price beforehand, so when people go to your website, they're much more likely to convert because they already know what they're getting themselves into. And this is something I don't recommend you only do, but instead split test it. run the same exact ad with the same copy, but just have one version include a call to action with the price and one without the price, and see what the difference is in results. And from there, you're going to be able to scale up much more profitably than you would ever before, just using some crazy incentive discount that only attracts price shoppers while also devaluing your brand. And a bonus as to why your ads aren't converting as much as you like to, and arguably most important, is because you are not using the perfect circle method. And the perfect circle is done through a series of events, and every month I help e-commerce business owners implement this system into their business. So right now we have 4 spots open this month, and we're looking for new dedicated people that want to copy this. So what you can do is click the link in the top of my description. You're gonna be able to apply. It takes a couple of minutes. And once you complete the form, we're gonna be able to reach out to you and see if we're a good fit to work one-on-one. And since you've made it this far, I just wanna give you a quick bonus, which is a free Facebook ad training course inside of a live ad account showing you 5 strategies that I use to take a brand new e-commerce store to over $1 million in sales in under 6 months. So take a look at that while it's free. All I ask is that you actually utilize the information, and that will be in the description as the Facebook ads free training. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to leave a big like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.